it together, right? So here we start with the very first question from this series, part 6 today. Here is the first question for all of you. Give me an answer to this question. Hi, Varun Joshi. Good afternoon. What is the answer to this first question according to you? Yes, any answer? I was actually checking any, official notification is there about the exam dates, and this is surprising that there is no official notification yet. They just put it on Twitter or somewhere. Otherwise, I don't see it anywhere on the official website, or possibly I am missing something. Varun Joshi has given the first answer. He says A. That's great. Others? What is your answer according to this first question? Anyone? No answers yet? Prakriti Rawal has got the answer as C, that is 10 by 19% loss. Yash has got the answer as C, which is 10 by 19% loss. Sonu Kumar has got C, okay. Let us start doing it. देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. It says the selling price of article 2 is equal to the cost price of article 1. There is a profit of 10% on article 1 and 10% loss on article 2. Find the overall profit or loss percentage in the entire transaction. So article 1, article 2, there is a cost price of these two, there is a selling price of these two. He says selling price of article 2, that means this is equal to cost price of article 1. So let us say this is equal to 100, then this would also be equal to 100, right everyone? If this is equal to 100, this is also equal to 100. There is a profit of 10% on article 1. So on article 1, there is a profit of 10%. So the selling price is 110, right? When there is a profit, it is 110. And 10% loss on article 2. After 10% loss, you have got the price as 100. So can I say my cost price was, I'm sorry, ये मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया है. For article 1, the selling price was 110. For article 2, the cost price is 100 divided by 0.9, because after 10% loss, the selling price has become 100. So it must have been 100 divided by 0.9. Find the overall profit loss or percentage. So now I can make this question actually a little easy. 100 is the number that I have assumed. If 100 was divisible by 9, I would not have had a fraction over here, right? This is where your flexibility of choosing numbers comes into picture and can make your job very easy. I am saying कि आप 100 की बजाय 900 assume कर लो. This would also become 900. This would become 990, and this would become 900 divided by 0.9, that is equal to 1000. So इससे काम आसान हो जाता है. Now I can say the total cost price is 900 plus 1000, that is equal to 1900. The total selling price is 990 plus 900, that is 1890. So the selling price is lesser than the cost price, that means there is a loss. और वो कितना loss है? It is 10 rupees on 1900 rupees. In terms of percentages, I can say it is 10 by 19% loss. So therefore, the correct answer is option C, which has been given correctly by Prakriti, Yash, Sonu, Rohit and Nancy, everyone. So C option, 10 by 19% loss, is the correct answer for us. I hope you understood my point. I mean, the important point was कि मैंने 100 को 900 क्यों assume कर लिया है. I hope you got that point, right? कि हाँ कहीं पर 0.9 से डिवाइड कर रहे थे, and dividing by 0.9 means 9 से अगर डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो काम आसान हो जाता है the moment it becomes divisible by 9. So rather than assuming 100, क्यों ना हम 900 assume कर लें, so that it can easily be cancelled out by 9. तो काम आसान हो जाएगा and we can do the questions real fast, right? So that was question number 1 with an answer of C. I am assuming that this is clear to all. I'll move ahead now to question number 2 on your screen now. Here is question number 2. Any answer for question number 2 from anyone? Looks like an easy question with respect to the previous one. Om Bagal has answered as A. Kapil has answered as A. That's great. Vedant has answered as A. Rohit got A. Kajal got A. Aman got A. Prakriti got A. Rajput got A. So looks like everyone has got A. लग रहा है A ही correct answer है. Yash has got W. Oh God. अच्छा he raised it. Got it. चलिए let's do it. करते हैं फटाफट. In a mixture of milk and water, the quantity of milk is 80 liters. So there is a mixture of milk and water. Quantity of milk is 80 liters. We don't know how much water is there. The concentration of milk increases to 80% if 40 liters more milk is added to the solution. So you add 40 liters more. So ultimately milk would be 120 liter, and he says this milk is 80% of the total. If 80% of the milk is milk, that means the remaining 20% has to be water. And if 80% is 120, what is 20%? It is 1/4 of 120. That means 30 liters. इसका सीधा सीधा मतलब ये है, in the original mixture 30 liters was water because second mixture had only milk. More milk was added, water was not added. So in the original solution, milk and water were 80 and 30. That means the ratio was 8:3. So option A is the correct answer. And fortunately, everyone gave the correct answer to this question. That is option A. इजी क्वेश्चन, लेकिन ऐसे क्वेश्चन में आप अगर ध्यान से देखें तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात यही है that how fast you can answer, because time is the only important criteria in all these cases. Okay, I hope it is understood to all once again. So I'll move ahead to question number 3. Question number 3 on your screen is here now. Any answer for question number 3 now? I don't see any answers yet. Rohit Deshpande is the first one to answer. He says E. Okay. Varun Joshi has answered as A. Just one answer. Even Rohit has deleted his answer. Sahil Mahajan has got C. Okay. Omkar got B. Yash got B. Sonu Kumar has got C. Let's start doing it. चलिए करते हैं. Arun borrows rupees 12,000 rupees at the rate of 12% per 10% per annum using simple interest for 2 years. So for 2 years, it is simple interest. He lends rupees 10,000 rupees at the same time period for 8% compounded interest per annum. So 8% compound interest per annum for 18 months, and it is compounded every 9 months. When it is compounded every 9 months, that means it will be compounded twice, right? And if for per annum the rate is 8%, for 9 months it would be 9 by 12 of 8, and 9 by 12 of 8 means equal to how much? It is 6%. So it is like 6% rate of interest for 2 terms, right? Now, what is the interest in the first scenario? 10% interest for 2 years, it is like 20% interest because it is simple interest, that is 2400. What is the interest in the second scenario? It is 6% for 2 terms but compounded. 6% for the first term is 600. For second term, it is 600 plus 6 terms of 600. So ultimately, the total interest that he has given on the borrowed money is 2400, and that he got on the invested money is 1236. The difference between the two is 1164. So my answer is option C. That is the right answer for this question. जरा बताइए एक बार ये सबको समझ आई मेरी बात? I hope it is clear. I mean, they have done something new in this question, that they have talked about compounded every 9 months. A person, of course, might feel कि compounded every 9 months, ये क्या हुआ? मतलब how is that done? हम तो 1 year के बारे में सुनते हैं, 6 months के बारे में, 2 years के बारे में. The point is, if 9 months is compounded and total is 18 months, that means it will be compounded twice. तो एक तरह से time period आपका 2 years का हो गया. And if for 1 year the rate was 8%, for 9 months it will be how much? 8 into 9 by 12. 8 into 9 by 12, 6% हो गया. That ways we calculated this, and this gives us the answer as 1164. So that was question number 3. I'll move ahead now to the next question. Question number 4. It is here on your screen now. Sonu Kumar has got the answer as A, that is 30 by 19. Rohit Deshpande has got A. Kapil has got A. Paresh has got A as the answer. Om Bagal has got A. Yash has got the answer as A. The rebellious one has got the answer as C. So he's actually the rebellious one. Others are getting A. Chaliye, I think we can start doing it now. Karte. Pipes A, B, and C are attached to a tank. Pipe A can fill 40% of the tank in 2 hours. If A can fill 40% of the tank in 2 hours, so can I say it can fill the complete tank, that is 100% of the tank, in a total of 5 hours? Is that right? Pipe A can fill 100% of the tank in 5 hours. Pipe B. Pipe B can empty 20% of the tank in 3 hours. If it can empty 20% in 3 hours, in what time it can empty 100%? Can I say it can empty 100% of the tank in 15 hours? So it is the filling tank, it is the filling pipe and emptying pipe. And pipe C, he says, can fill 25% of the tank in what time? 30 minutes. So that means it can fill 100% of the tank in a total of 2 hours. So ultimately, what do I have? A is an inlet pipe which can fill the tank in 5 hours. B is an outlet pipe which can empty the tank in 15 hours. And C again is an inlet pipe which can fill the tank in a total of 2 hours. Question is, find the time taken by pipe A, B, C together to fill the empty tank. तो पहली बात तो मैं capacity of the tank मान लेता हूं, that is an LCM of 5, 15 and 2, that is equal to 30 liters. So ultimately I can say A can fill in 6 liters every hour, B can take out 2 liters every hour, C can fill in 15 liters every hour. Together they can fill in 19 liters every hour. So if every hour they can put in 19 liters, in what time they'll put 30 liters? It is 30 divided by 19 hours. So therefore option A is the right answer for us. So Sonu is the first one to answer correctly, followed by Rohit, Kapil, Paresh, Om, and Yash. And after that, Vikrant also gave the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is option A. Jaldi bataiye, is this understood to all? And if it is understood, please do press the like button as well. I see that only a few people have liked it, right? So I'm sure you all have understood the solution well. You are getting these solutions easily because I'm not assuming any variable in these solutions. So I'm sure that you are able to understand them. And please show your love through the like button. Please do press the like button. I'll move ahead by the time to the next question. That is question number 5 on your screen now. So what is the answer to this question number 5 now? Rohit Deshpande has got one answer as E. Vikrant Mishra has got the answer as A. Okay. Yash has got the answer as A. Nancy got C. Okay, Nancy. Three answers till now. Two of them are A, one of them is C. Manthan has got B, that is 112. Paresh has got B, 112. Kajal has got A. Let us start doing it then. करना शुरू करते हैं. A bag contains 25 paisa coins, 50 paisa coins and 1 rupee coins such that the total number of coins is 250. The total amount is 174. If there are 4 times as many as 1 rupee coins as 25 paisa coins. So if 25 paisa coins are X, he says 4 times of that are 1 rupee coins. Then find the number of 50 paisa coins. Now, if X coins of 25 paisa are there, the value would be X by 4 because 4 coins of 25 paisa will make 1 rupee. So I would suggest that better assume this as 4x. So this would automatically become 4 times of that, that is 16x. Okay, I can say it is 16x. And let us say the number of 50 paisa coins is y. So the total number of coins is 4x plus y plus 16x. It is equal to 250, that is 20x plus y is equal to 250. And what is their value? The value of these 4x coins is x rupee. The value of this y coins is y by 2. Once again we have got y by 2. So better is to assume it as 2y. तो ये y हो जाएगा. अगर ये 2y है तो यहाँ पे 2 लिख देंगे हम लोग, राइट? तो कोई खास दिक्कत नहीं होती है. So this is x, this is y, and this would be equal to 16x because 16x coins of 1 rupee will have a value of 1 rupee only. So first of all, 20x plus 2y, it can also be written as 10x plus y if I half on the left hand side. और जो टोटल वैल्यू यहां मेरी आ रही है दैट इज 17x plus y, it is equal to 174. Just subtract here. So 7x is equal to 49 or x is equal to 7 and put it here. If x is equal to 7, y is equal to 55. Question आपसे पूछ रहा है find the number of 55 पैसा 50 पैसा coins. The number of 50 paisa coins is 2y, y is 55, so the total number of coins is 110. So option C is the right answer for this question. So later on I say Netra had given the correct answer, but Nancy and Netra are the only two people who gave the right answer for this question. ये बहुत मुश्किल questions की category में नहीं आएगा. You would not say it's a very difficult question. I mean, all of you should have been able to do it fast enough and correct as well, right? But many of you have given the wrong answer. I don't know what mistake did you make. Even you could have gone by the options, though that would have been a little bit lengthy. थोड़ा लंबा हो जाता है कि पहले ये ऑप्शन लेके चलता हूं, फिर उसके हिसाब से सारा बना के देखते हैं, फिर सेकंड ऑप्शन उसके हिसाब से सारा बना के देखते हैं. वो थोड़ा लेंदी बन जाता है, बट अदरवाइज आई फील दैट दिस कुड हैव बीन डन राइट थ्रू ऑप्शंस एज वेल. I am assuming that this is clear to all. If there is any question, please tell me through the chat box. Otherwise, I'll move ahead to the next question. That is question number 6. अगर ये समझ आ गया है तो आगे बढ़ जाएंगे. Is it fine, everyone? Understood to all of you? Any questions? Any doubts about it? I hope no. So I'll move ahead now to question number 6 here. Yes, yes, yes. No, cleared. So that's great. चलिए. It's a simple question. I am assuming that all of you should have answered it by now. No answers yet. Yogita says B confirmed. Okay. The first answer that we have got. Rohit Deshpande has got B. Okay. Vikrant Mishra has got B. Yash has got B. That's great. Nancy Coyle got B. Tanmay has got B. That's great. चलिए, let's start doing it then. करना शुरू करते हैं. In a cask full of milk, 7 liters of milk is replaced with water. This operation is performed 3 more times. That means a total of 4 times. The ratio of quantity of milk now left in the cask to that of water is this. How much milk was there? So I am sure that all of you know the formula for this. Milk out of total is equal to original quantity or initial quantity minus quantity withdrawn divided by final quantity, जो यहाँ पे I के ही बराबर है, क्योंकि जितना निकाल रहे हैं उतने से ही रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं. And it is taken to a power which is the number of times the process is repeated. मिल्क फाइनली आपके पास कितना है? इट इज 81 out of total would be 81 plus 175, that is 256, is equal to initial minus withdrawn, which is 7. upon initial raised to the power 4 क्योंकि process is done 4 times. This 4 would go on the other side, will have fourth root of 81 by 256, which is 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 is equal to I minus 7 by I. 3I is equal to 4I minus 28. I'm sure all of you can calculate from here that the initial quantity in this case is equal to 28. This is a question which is directly based upon the replacement formula. Initial quantity minus quantity withdrawn upon the final quantity whole raised to the power n, where n is the number of times the process is repeated. कितने बार आपने प्रोसेस किया वो बताता है. तो ऊपर आपका 4 चला गया, तो उधर से हमने फोर्थ रूट निकाला. फोर्थ रूट निकालने के बाद वी गॉट द आंसर, द वैल्यू ऑफ आई एज 28. इज दैट अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें? एनी क्वेश्चंस हियर? मुझे लगा था काफी लोग इसका सही आंसर देंगे बिकॉज इट्स अ क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली बेस्ड अपॉन रिप्लेसमेंट. और अगर आपने रिप्लेसमेंट पढ़ा है, आई थिंक द ओनली थिंग दैट वी टीच इन रिप्लेसमेंट इज दिस फॉर्मूला. द फर्स्ट थिंग, द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस फॉर्मूला ओनली. रिप्लेसमेंट में कुल मिला के है ही ये फॉर्मूला ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हिच वी हैव ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, so I'm assuming that this is understood now. I'll move ahead now to the next question. The next question is on your screen here now. Question number 7. So what is your answer for this question now? Yash got the answer as C, that is 60. Kapil has got the answer as C, that is 60. विक्रांत कह रहे हैं सी लॉक कर दिया जाए. ठीक है जी, कर देते हैं लॉक. Nancy Goyal has also got C. Sahil Mahajan has got C. Surbhi Sawant has got C. Kajal has got C. Chale ji, let's start doing it. Amar has 165 chocolates with him to distribute in his class on the day of his birthday. He distributes 2 chocolates each to 1/3 of the students. तो 1/3 of the students को तो वो दे रहा है 2 chocolate, and 3 chocolates each to the remaining number of students. 3 chocolates each to the remaining, that means 2/3 of the students. Find the number of students in his class if he is left with just 5 chocolates with him at the end. If only 5 chocolates are left, that means ultimately he distributed 160 chocolates with these guys. He distributed 160 chocolates with these guys. Now, if 1/3 of the students are, let us say X, so 2/3 of the students are 2X. So X students को 2 chocolates दी, it became 2X. 2X students को 3 chocolates दी, that became 6X. And total chocolates are 160. From here, I can straight away say X is 20. If X is 20, that means 20 is 1/3 of the students. So total number of students is equal to 60. So option C is the right answer for this question. Though I would say यहाँ पे भी जरूरी नहीं है वेरिएबल लेते. मान लीजिए क्लास में 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, राइट? तो एक स्टूडेंट को आपने 2 चॉकलेट दे दी है, 2 स्टूडेंट्स को आपने 3-3 दे दिए हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स बिकम 8, बट टोटल नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट शुड बी 160. दैट मींस आपके पास 20 टाइम्स ऐसे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. So total number of students is not 1 plus 2 3, rather they are 3 into 20, 60 students are there. मतलब मैंने जब किया तो मैंने ऐसे ही किया. And actually you also can do it the same way without variables. These questions actually can become real easy. ठीक है, assume कर लो कोई भी नंबर, और क्योंकि 1/3 कर रहा है 2/3 कर रहा है तो ऐसा assume करो which is a multiple of 3 so that you can easily take 1/3 2/3 and then you can answer the question. आसान हो जाता है काम करना. So that was question number 7, which was on the easier side. I'll move ahead now to question number 8. Question number 8 on your screen is here. So Paresh is the first one to say C. Music core has got C. Okay, E. Yes says option B is incorrect. Yes, yes, I got your point. But I am assuming कि आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा that here it is actually 2. Kapil has got the answer as E. Trushil Mehta has got the answer as C. Let us do it then. करते हैं. He says a rod is cut into 3 equal parts. So let's say these are the 3 equal parts of the rod. The resultant rods are cut into 10, 30 and 36 equal parts respectively. So it is cut into 10 parts. This is cut into 30 parts. This is cut into 36 parts. And 36 equal parts. That means the length of this rod is a multiple of 36. 30 equal parts. That means the length of this rod is a multiple of 30. And 10 equal parts. That means the length of this rod is a multiple of 10. He says each of these resulting rods has an integral length. So therefore I have been saying that they are multiples of 10, 30, 36. क्योंकि fractions में ले लेते तो जरूरी नहीं था कि वो multiple आते. Quantity 1 is the minimum possible length of the rod X. The point is, if it's a multiple of 10, it's a multiple of 30, it's a multiple of 36, and these three are also equal because the rod was cut into 3 equal parts. So these 3 parts are also equal. So which is the smallest number which is divisible by 10, 30 and 36? That is 180. Their LCM is 180. So the minimum possible length of the complete rod is 540 meters. अगर तीनों 180 180 के हो तो 540 meters. And quantity 2 is 520. So what can I say about quantity 1 and quantity 2? Of course, quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. So therefore option E is the right answer for us. E option is the correct answer because quantity 1 is 540 meters, quantity 2 is 520 meters, and I can say 540 is greater than 520 now. That's the answer. MAH CET officially on 25th and 26th March. Yes, it is there on their website now. A ticker is going on in which they have shown it that it is on 25th and 26th, and a PDF has been uploaded today in which the dates are mentioned as 25th and 26th. Though who knows that it will not be postponed or not. तो ये लास्ट ईयर भी ऐसे ही था, हर 20 दिन में पोस्टपोन करते रहे डेट्स को. अभी भी हो सकता है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस केस. So that's question number 8 for all of you. I'll move ahead now to question number 9. But before that, I would request all of you to please do press the like button. I see the number of likes is pretty less. Please do that. Then I'll move ahead with our question number 9, which is here on your screen now. Preetham Play says, when will admit card be released? I think this answer cannot be given even by them who are conducting the paper. Oh yes, these are the final dates. If nothing postpones now. Akash Verma has answered as D. Okay. Music core answers C. Yash also answers as C. Prakash Patil has got the answer as D. So we got two answers as D, two answers as C. Sahil Mahajan has got D. Okay. Yes, it is official now, Orthodox Gaming. Shubham, it is the final date declared on their website. Yes, Maharashtra CET has declared it on the website now. Let us start doing this question. One root of the quadratic equation is 4 times the other. Find the relationship between A, B, C. See, one root is alpha. So the other root would be 4 times of that. That is 4 alpha. Now what is sum of the roots? Alpha plus 4 alpha is 5 alpha. It is equal to minus B by A. And what is product of the roots? Alpha into 4 alpha is equal to C by A. So here I have 4 alpha square is equal to C by A. If I check the value of alpha from here, it is minus B by 5A. And if I put it over here, तो क्या आ जाता है? 4 into minus B square divided by 5 square into A square is equal to C by A. A से square cancel out हो जाएगा. And I will have B square is equal to 25AC divided by 4. या फिर 4 मैं इधर ही रहने दूं तो automatically it would satisfy option D. So option D is the correct answer for us. That is 4B square is equal to 25AC. आकाश ने और प्रकाश ने दोनों ने सही आंसर दिया इसका. That's option D now. Okay. Paresh also gave the correct answer as option D, and I see many people are happy about the final exam date. But let me tell you, it's not the exam date about which you should be happy. You should be happy about the right answers here. ठीक है? तो एग्जाम तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर आंसर सही नहीं होंगे तो किसी काम का नहीं है. That happiness might turn into sadness then, right? So I would never wish that for any one of you, but please, let's do the next question now. Question number 10. And after that, I have a bonus question for all of you, after which the session would be over. So here is question number 10 for each one of you. ये रहा आपके सामने आपके स्क्रीन पर. Give me the answer now. Here we have question number 10. And gear up now, exam is on the next weekend. Good afternoon, Kishore. No answer yet? Let us start doing it then. काफी इसका आंसर आया नहीं किसी का भी. The total number of ways of selecting a committee of 8 having at most 2 males from M males and 7 females is 750. Find the value of M. So when you have to select at most 2 males out of 8. So possibilities are either you have 2 males and 6 females, or you have 1 male and 7 females, or you have no males, all 8 females. Because the number of females is only 7, of course the last case is not possible, the only 2 cases are possible. If I talk about this case, 1 male and 7 female, out of M males, 1 male can be selected in M ways, and out of 7 females, all 7 can be selected in only one way. So that gives me a total of M into 1 M ways to select. And if I have to select 2 males, they can be selected in MC2, and 6 females, they can be selected in 7C6. So now MC2 is M into M minus 1 divided by 2 into 7C6 is 7. That is the total number of ways. So हमारे पास जो total number of ways आ जाते हैं, that is M plus 7M into M minus 1 divided by 2, and this whole thing should be equal to 750 because the total number of ways of doing it should be 750. So either I make a quadratic equation and solve it, or I would say just कुछ values put करके try कर लो. अब values कैसे put करनी ध्यान देना. Do not straight away put 11, 12, 13 ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Take the middle number. Because if 13 does not make it 750, that means 11 and 12 definitely cannot make it. If 13 takes it above 750, that means 14, 15 are not my answer. If 13 satisfies, 13 is my answer. So 13 check करो. 13 पे क्या आता है? 13 plus 7 into 13 into 12 divided by 2. ये कितना आ गया मेरे पास? 13 6 78. 78 into, rather 91 into 6 is equal to 546. 546 plus 13 is 559. It does not make it 750. So neither 12 nor 11 nor 13 are my answer. क्योंकि वही 13 ही नहीं पहुंच रहा 750 तक. How can 11, 12 reach there? Out of 14, 15, try anyone. Let's say I try 15. So 15 plus 7 into 15 into 14 divided by 2. 2 से 7 पे गया. 15 7 जा 105 into 7 735 plus 15 750. Yes, it does make it. So therefore my answer is option E. अगर ये भी 750 ना बनाता, my answer would have been 14 straight away. तो अगर ये satisfy कर गया तो ये आंसर, नहीं करता तो डी आंसर. That ways we could have done it. fast enough. I think rather than making an equation and solving it at the end, ये सबसे बेहतर तरीका था. वैल्यू पुट करके ट्राई करो, जो वैल्यू सेटिस्फाई कर जाए वही आपका आंसर होगी. This is how you could have answered this question as well. That was question number 10. So now there is a bonus question as always that I give you, the last question of the day. So here it is, question number 11 on your screen. Try to answer this question as well. Yes, everyone, MBA CET dates are confirmed as 25-26. Okay. If you say it once or 10 times or 15 times, it will remain on 25th and 26th. Unless and until they postpone it. So here we have the last question of the day. From a point in the interior of an equilateral triangle, the perpendicular distance of the sides are 4 root 3, 6 root 3, 2 root 3. The perimeter of the triangle is what? So by the time you do it, I'll just try to make the equilateral triangle. Yes, Akshay, it is on the website. Music Core has got the answer as D. Yash has got the answer as B. Shanutix has got the answer as D. Chalo let us start doing it. So let's say the point is here. It's an equilateral triangle. Let us assume the point is here. यहाँ मैंने एक point बना दिया है. So from this point, this line is at a distance of 6 root 3. This line is at a distance of 4 root 3. And this line is at a distance of 2 root 3. Okay. How can I answer this question? I would just join these vertices with this point. And how would it help me? I'll tell you that. अगर मैं इसे join कर दूं तो. So if all of them are joined, ultimately my triangle is divided into 3 triangles now. If I name this point as P. So there is a triangle ABP. There is a triangle APC. And there is a triangle BPC. And sum of these 3 triangles is equal to area of triangle ABC, isn't it? ABP plus APC plus BPC. If you add all 3 of them, the area of the total triangle is the sum of these 3. Now what is the area of ABP? If the side of the triangle is A, the area is half of A into 4 root 3. Area of APC, it is half of A into 2 root 3. Area of BPC, it is half of A into 6 root 3. Area of ABC, area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4A square. You all know that. So from A, you can cancel out A in all the places. Root 3 can be cancelled out in all the places. So ultimately, I have 4 by 2, that is 2, plus 2 by 2, that is 1, 6 by 2, that is 3. It's equal to A divided by 4, or A is equal to 24. If this side is 24, what is the perimeter? The perimeter is 72 centimeters. That way, we get the right answer for this last question as well. I'm assuming this is understood to all of you now. So Music Core and Shanutics had given the right answer. Perfect Electronics have also given the correct answer. Okay. So available on all these media handles, guys. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. I'm sure you liked the session. If you did, please do press the like button and keep coming to the upcoming sessions as well. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. So Abhishek says, sir, please make a session on short approach to save time in CT. Abhishek, we will be having it in near future. Millie, you can find it out in the recorded format. If you don't get it, please put it in the comment. I'll answer there. Okay. Deepak, as of now, it's the final date. We don't know what is going to happen. Crucial, someone would definitely help you out with that. Okay, you can put up your email ID or phone number or something. They'll help you with that because I would not have any idea about the fee structure. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day now. Bye bye. Take care.